Right, so we're going over carboxylic acids. However, carboxylic acids also have a lot of other derivatives. So we're going to learn a whole bunch of different functional groups and the reactions, but overall the reactions and their properties are somewhat similar at least. So for example, this is a carboxylic acid. When we switch this other side to this acyl group, this is called an acid anhydride. You can think out to form this, you basically eliminate out a water molecule. We can have this other functional groups that we've already touched on, right? When we have this OR group, it's an ester instead. And NR2 is an amide. And then we have a bit of a funky one, triple bonded to this nitrogen, right? We've already taken a look at this. This is a nitrile group, or a cyano group as it's also called. And you might be thinking, well, this one's a little bit weird. How is this a derivative of a carboxylic acid? So the main point here is that it's bonded, it has 3 bonds to an electronegative element. So for example, in this top right on this carboxylic acid, we have 1, 2, 3 bonds to oxygen. Here we have 1, 2, 3 bonds to nitrogen, right? So 3 bonds to an electronegative atom. And we'll see what we can do with nitriles later on, but we've already learned how to use them as good nucleophiles. You can have thioesters. So instead of having an OR, you have an SR. We won't really cover this one too much. They're not as common. And then one of my favorites, we can have acid halides. And generally the chloride is more common. So this X can be a Cl or a Br, but the Cl is much more common. Acid halides are really cool because they're the most reactive, so you can use it to make all kinds of different things.